guys. I didn't even see you there. Oh, well, welcome to the channel this morning. Got a new thing. So, I picked up this 97 4runner because, well, me and the wife have been talking and we want to get back into doing a little bit more four-wheeling. And with the new little guy, it's kind of hard to do it in a regular, like a pickup truck, which is what I was thinking about doing with the Tacoma. So I found this guy, picked this guy up at this gem. I mean, this thing is in good shape. She runs, she drives, leather interior, full power, cool little running boards that are going to be ripped the heck off, carpeting that's going to be ripped the heck out, little automatic so that it a little bit easier for the rock crawling and stuff like that. But yeah, we got, oh yeah, sunroof. The back window goes down when you press a button up here. I mean, this thing is sweet. It's limited. Well, it's limited. It's limited. So, but yeah, I guess you guys wouldn't have seen this yet because I haven't posted a video in a while. I'm sorry, guys. But yeah, I think what we're gonna do with this, the build, we're going to definitely put full-size axles underneath of it. I've already secured a set of them. I just got to go pay for them and pick them up. I think we're going to go with a 3-link or a 4-link in the front. I haven't 100% figured that out yet. And I think we're also probably going to go with a 4-link in the rear. We're going to... First of all, we're going to get rid of that guy because that's just something that's going to catch us and get us into trouble. Yeah. She's a peach. She is a peach. But I think today, we kind of made plans last night. I think we're going to take it out and wheel it in stock form. Just to take it out and, you know, get it a little dirty, have some fun with it for right now. And then we'll get into the build. So, now I got the tire pumped up. We got a slow leaker over there. Yeah, let's go figure some stuff out. Officer Daniels speaking.
Hey, all you cool cats and kittens.
Oh, man. Are we gonna go to Bailey's?
It's looking like it.
Alright.
I've been on the horn with Bailey here for a couple minutes.
Alright, what do you think? Should I just drive this thing over?
I would.
Or do you want to come here and load it?
I mean, I'm not scared of it either way.
You still got that wood on the trailer though, don't you?
Yeah.
Alright. Let me go. Cody's awake. He just needs to get dressed. I'll tell him to get dressed and I'll head over and he can just walk over.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Alright.
Later.
Bye.
Somebody save this dude. He doesn't even have a coffee maker. Cody did somewhere.
It's in your,
It's inside there?
Little peckerhead.
Look, he made coffee by just pouring the grounds into the water.
Yeah, we're men around here. We don't need filters or anything. We freaking straight drink the grinds.
Ugh. I mean, I guess it ain't gonna hurt you by any means, but
It's delicious. Try it. Dunkin' Donuts brand only, though. Don't try with the other crap. That shit'll put lead in your pipe.
somebody buy Steve a stupid coffee pot.
Good morning, guys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am JPMtek, and today we've got a good one for you. We are going to pick up a $300, that's right, a $300 Toyota 4Runner, and at this rate, if we get 2 videos out of it, we're gonna just have some fun with it, beat it up and see what happens. So we're gonna go, I think it's only like a half-hour drive. We're gonna jump in, obviously, my buddy Steve's Avalanche. We got his trailer on the back. We're gonna go get this dick and we're gonna take it off-roading.
Blazers up to our
All right, guys, so we're down here at Deceiving Bailey's.
Hey, I like that GoPro.
You like that GoPro?
Yeah.
I just bought that because somebody wouldn't return mine.
Well, that's because somebody broke mine. I
Yeah,
just bought 2
you
because
broke
you
yours.
broke mine.
Anyways, arguments.
Anywho,
I think we're gonna. Are you gonna do that? I think we're gonna test the off-road capabilities of the 4Runner while it's still on the trailer.
I think that's the thing.
I
don't see why not.
I'm just here for, you know, entertainment purposes, so go ahead and do whatever you feel like doing.
Steve, get my 4Runner off your trailer.
I got you, Josh. We'll get that thing unloaded.
All right, well, let's get about it.
Hello? This is how old before we're on.
Here it goes. Oh, no.
That shit could get ugly quick.
Oh, it's gonna roll here in a minute.
She's holding tight. He's gonna break that trailer.
Hey, go down further. You need more speed. How'd that not work out?
It's too far forward.
Yeah.
No, you got it. You had it there.
Yeah, you
It's
gotta
about to
go down.
roll off the side is what it's about to do.
Definitely gonna roll off the side.
Yeah.
Don't,
Man, one more shot. You're right there. All I smell is like rubber. I don't know if it's from the tire
no,
hitting or
it's the 4Runner's tires against the tire of the trailer and the smoky. So go down past the building a little bit and whip her hard. You need more both forward than that. You're just flowing big circles. You gotta go in a square. Here it goes! Oh, the front end's gonna fall off. There it goes! There it goes! There it goes! It's just dragging the front tire. It does not want to fall off.
It's about time. It's about time.
Dude, that thing stayed together.
Yeah.
Well, you don't want to look at this side.
It's a Toyota. Is she messed?
Yeah,
Is she messed?
yeah. When it went up over the wheel well.
Oh, that's okay. Those were coming off anyhow.
Clearance the running boards a little
Yeah.
bit. Yeah,
Let's go
clearance
wheeling.
the running boards a little bit.
Let's go. Yeah. You got it muddy, Steve. What the heck were
Look
you
at
thinking?
The trailer.
Yeah.
Steve, go out there and replant my feet.
All right, we'll get her back.
Whoa! Easy! Cody, just go across. There's too much traffic down here right now, and I don't care about you hitting somebody, but I don't want you to hit that new Jeep. All right? All right. Keep going. Keep going back. Keep going back. There you go. He's a little rammy jammy on the throttle there yet. I wonder if he's gonna get her stuck. Back up, give it a little bump. Now go forward. Go forward. Just give it throttle. Go. Go. Keep going. Come out this way. Cody, Cody, I want you to make an arc and come this way. Turn this way. I want you to come at me angled like this. Turn that way, turn that way. Come on. All right, that's where I wanted you to actually be. Now back up straight, straighten the wheel out. Other way, keep going, keep going, keep going. Now back up straight, and I want you to give it some throttle to get up here, okay? Oh, you're going back. All right, now come forward. Come, you don't have, listen, I don't want you to go 500 miles per hour. Come on. Keep coming. Oh no, we got the wheel up off the ground. Back up. I don't think that's gonna work out for us. It's just too steep. Most kids play on four-wheelers and dirt bikes and stuff. I just buy $300 beaters and let my kid beat him. See a little puff of smoke every so often when he's giving it throttle, and I mean it was just submerged in water, so that could very well be it. Let's find out quick. What's the temperature gauge at?
Middle.
It hasn't moved at all. Okay. I just seen puff of some steam coming out the exhaust. Go ahead, do your thing. Cody, come straight over that if it will. See if it'll come straight up out.
Where are my wheels?
That way. Turn it that way. Oh, it might. Come forward. Start moving forward. Look at that. Look at that. Hey. She's a good little truck.
That was fairly stocky.
Yeah.
Tires that are on that thing.
Right. He just held it to the floor, I think. Alright guys, so all in all, good day. We 4runner performed amazing. We got some, you know, got some footage of in there with Cody driving. Once Street Speed and all those guys got down here, pretty much let him take free reign of it, and I just kind of watched and everything.
For stock formation, we gotta give it to that little girl.
She does good.
Terrible tires and everything.
Yeah.
I've gotta admit, it did pretty well.
Yeah. The real question.
Completely untested too. We didn't even
Yeah.
know if it was gonna stay running longer than 20 minutes.
Right.
So you can't really complain
I don't
about a
even
good day in the
remember if we
woods.
checked the oil.
I don't think we did.
I don't think we did
I
either.
don't think we did either. Yeah.
How'd you like it, Cody? Why is your seatbelt not on? Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So
How
we're
far
gonna get
down
this
did
thing
you go?
back, and
Did you go under the bridge?
yeah, we were probably about another 200 yards past the bridge. That's where they got to the point where they were stuck. Oh, anyhow, sorry guys. We're gonna get this thing. We might stop at a car wash. We're gonna see how much
I think I'm gonna
cash monies I have.
buy a pressure washer.
All right.
Because my truck's pretty trash, so I might as well just buy a new one.
Bye, guys.